In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit bank rules in QuickBooks Online, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what each option means, and how to update a rule confidently so your bank transactions are categorized the way you want. First, log in to QuickBooks Online using your browser. Once you're in, look to the left side menu. Click Accounting, then select Rules. This page lists all your existing bank rules, which help QuickBooks automatically recognize and categorize transactions as they come in from your connected bank accounts. Scroll or use the search to locate the rule you want to edit. When you've found it, look under the Actions column and click Edit. This opens the rule details where you can adjust anything you need. Start with the rule name. Choose something descriptive so it's easy to recognize later. Next, decide whether the rule applies to money in or money out. Money in covers deposits like customer payments or interest, while money out covers expenses, bills, and fees. Select the bank account or accounts the rule should watch. If you have multiple accounts connected, make sure the rule only applies where it makes sense. Now review the conditions. You can base a rule on the description, bank text, or amount. For example, description contains might look for a vendor's name in the downloaded detail. Bank text contains searches, the raw bank memo. Amount is or is not lets you target exact figures. You can stack conditions to narrow things down and choose whether all conditions must be true or if any one of them is enough to trigger the rule. The goal is to be specific enough to catch the right transactions without pulling in unrelated ones. Then review the actions the rule will take. Set the transaction type, such as expense, check, or transfer, depending on what you expect. Choose the category or account you want QuickBooks to post to, like an expense account or income account. Add a payee if the transactions typically go to the same vendor or customer. If you track sales tax, pick the appropriate tax option so it's applied automatically. You'll also see an option to automatically confirm transactions. Turning this on means QuickBooks will add matching transactions to your books without you reviewing each one. Use this only when you're confident the rule is precise. When you're done making changes, click Save to update the rule. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.